BMW 5 Series original car steering wheel. Let's see how to install it. First, let's prepare a T20 screwdriver. We start directly under the steering wheel. Put this tool in, and then we go straight up. You can put this airbag directly open. Both sides come out at the same time. We should pay attention to the fact that after unplugging this tool, then you can take it off directly. Then press and hold the buckle on it. And then we unplug it. Can you screw up first? Then use a little force and come straight down. Disassembly and assembly is very simple. I want to remove the airbag. Put directly into the car clip inside. One dot on the left and one dot on the right. Then we put the new steering wheel directly on. It's installed wrong, and it can't be installed either. Then plug this plug in. Leave my body. Tighten the screws. Plug the airbag. Pay attention to this position. You need to put it between the two black ones. Then insert the airbag. Here we go. The old car becomes a new one in seconds. Can be adjusted at will. Cruise at lower lift. Up and down acceleration and deceleration. LIM is the speed limit. On the right are our multimedia buttons. Add and subtract volume all compatible. Perfect use. Interested likes, follow.